Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. I'm here in the Lay family garden. I'm standing under a very prickly little tree here. This is Trifoliate orange, or hardy orange. It's Panceris trifoliata, and it's called trifoliata because each leaf has three little leaflets, if you will. So that's where it gets its Latin name from. And this is a very cold hardy type of citrus. In fact, the trifoliate orange is what they usually use as the rootstock for orange groves around the country, South Texas and Florida and California. So it protects the roots from the cold that could happen sometimes in those areas. So they'll graft on the actual varieties of oranges, or in some cases it's grapefruit, for instance, onto the trifoliate orange. But it is a tree in its own right, has super long thorns. It's used in landscaping sometimes around here in North America and in Europe as a barrier plant. If you get in close, you can really see those thorns. So planted and pruned as a hedge, no one's going to move through it, even as a barrier for animals as well. But it's quite unique and interesting, and you can grow this in North Texas. This is hardy down to really 0 or even below. It's just a neat specimen, but it does have the thorns. That's something to consider. And it does have fruit. I think I see one right over here. It blooms early spring, late winter, and then you can see these little oranges beginning to develop. Very sour. They're not so good for eating, although people do harvest them when they're ripe, sometimes and use them to make a sweet marmalade type of thing. So you can Google those recipes, but it's called trifoliate orange. Really unique landscape specimen. I think it might be something you want to look at sometime. I'm Dave Forehand. See you real soon.